to be at that 0 down there.
Yeah, look at now it's over here.
Yeah. Feel like it's in 0 now. No, not quite.
Oh, 0's in the middle there, ain't it? Yeah, see, that's 9. Let's see, what is it? 18, 12, 8, 4. So we want to be like
It's
by
retarded
the
right now.
second notch.
It's advanced or retarded right now?
I'm not sure. Let's see what's it say.
I think
Before, we're advanced from before.
Yeah.
It's on the other side, then it's retarded.
Yeah.
So we want to be by the second mark.
Okay.
So let fire it back up.
All right.
And I don't know what that controller, you know, if it's going to let us get it. Yeah, right there. Let me check that off.
All right. Let me see if I can get it on camera.
There it is.
Y'all see that? Yeah, there it is.
Yeah,
Now
so
what-
you were like way over advanced.
So what I do now?
Now it should do a lot better. You can give it a shot, just see how it does, and we may see if we can go a little bit more, but I think the controller might not let you. The controller changes your timing too.
Okay, so what?
It's electronically. It plays with your.
So I can just do the wizard then again, right?
Yep.
All right, y'all. I'm about to do this wizard. Oh shit. Just got this timing done on this thing.
Yeah, you're good. Go ahead.
All right. Now I'm finna redo this wizard
What was the
tuning.
name of the place that did your upholstery?
Stitch in Time.
Stitch in Time. Where
Yeah.
there?
Right up there on
Oh, okay. I went to this place over there on 11th Street and past the 20, right there at American Road, I think. Or something.
Yeah. All right, we gotta. Let me see. Let me hold it this way.
They did your headliner too, huh?
Yep.
Is that leather too?
Nah, it's
What's that soft? Yeah. Like
ultra leather.
That's what I wanted back on mine.
Okay. Engine displacement is 355. You know, you could just hit it and type it in too.
Yeah.
Clear 355. It's 355. Save that. Next. Engine idle speed. I should go at what? 350? I mean 750.
Yeah. So if probably about 800.
800.
Yeah,
Clear.
remember it was idle and a little low when
800. Save. Next. So I just stock mild.
Yeah.
Stock mild. No nitrous. And it's a Hyperspark distributor.
Yeah.
Wide open throttle should be at what, 30 something? They told me like in between 32 and 36, 38 or something when I called for a V8.
Yeah. You can try it. Now you can always change it around, you know.
I'm gonna put 30.
Just play with it and go up and down with it and just see what it does, how it does, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna put 33. Next. Okay, that should be it. Start. It's initializing. Please cycle the engine to complete the operation. All right. 700. 7.
Yeah, you might go try 850. I think
850.
I remember for some reason that went. You had to put it higher to get it to 750.
All right, let me go back. Go home. Tuning. Idle. It's at 800 right now.
Well, we were at 800. Bring it to 850.
Oh, okay. It's at 850 now. Yes. It's a little low.
Yeah, you're a little closer there now. Yeah. Yep.
So it should be
Got
better.
no lights. No. Yep.
Yeah, ain't nothing red on here, so.
Circle, see how it sounds?
Yeah, let me see. All right, I'm gonna take it for a ride, y'all. Be back.